Welcome to our How to Get a State Job series. In this video, we will guide you through the exams, which are a crucial part in determining eligibility for many positions. Exams differ based on the job classification you are pursuing, and some classifications may utilize assessments instead. Supplemental documents like exams, assessments, or even the Statement of Qualifications are different ways to ensure that the applicant has the knowledge, skills, and abilities needed for the position. In this video, our focus will be on the examination component required for many positions. There are a few different ways to locate an exam. One method is through the Exam Assessment Search portal, which can be found on the CalCareers homepage under the search bar. Once you reach the Exam Assessment Search page, you will see a keyword search bar and advanced filters. To find an exam for a specific job, it is easiest to search by classification and select the job class that you are interested in. Just a reminder, classifications are a way to essentially group together similar positions that have similar qualifications. Please note a variety of jobs may be available under one classification. After applying your filters, click Search and choose the exam required for the position you are pursuing. You can also refer to the job posting for more details on what exam is needed for that role. Once you have identified the right exam, click View Exam Posting, where you will find a brief overview of the exam. For more comprehensive details and to take the exam, navigate to the official exam bulletin, where you will find information such as minimum qualifications for the exam and role, the classification description, exam components, a study guide, if available, and other important details. Be mindful that exams have specific waiting periods between retakes, which you can find under the Who Should Apply section of the bulletin. The bulletin will also let you know if the exam is open or promotional. Open exams mean anyone who meets the minimum qualifications can take the exam, while promotional exams are only for specific current state employees, current or former members of the legislature, and veterans. Please note, veterans are not granted veterans preference for promotional exams. Ensure you meet the minimum requirements for the classification. If eligible, you may proceed with the exam. Simply scroll down, click on the Take the Examination link, log in to your CalCareers account, and prepare to take the exam. Please note that not all exams start immediately. The administration method varies. Some are proctored in person, while others require specific submissions. It is crucial to refer to the exam bulletin for details. Additionally, for timed exams once begun, there is no option to stop or reset. However, training and experience exams allow for pausing and continuing later. Make sure to allocate sufficient time and maintain a stable internet connection. After completing the exam, you will receive feedback regarding your performance. Depending on the exam's format, this may include a pass-fail notification or a score. It's important to clarify that being eligible to apply for jobs within a classification does not guarantee an appointment. Even if you pass the exam, your name may not be reachable on the eligibility list for selection. The exam bulletin will also specify the length of your list eligibility if you successfully pass the exam or assessment. Best of luck with your exam. You can discover more helpful tips for the job application process by exploring our How to Get a State Job series. Whether you're watching this video individually or as part of the series, we're here to guide you through each step of the process. We also want you to know that we have additional resources to help. You can visit the Help Tutorials page, located on the top of the CalCareers website, to access tutorials, frequently asked questions, and a glossary of commonly used terms. If you need further assistance or have any questions that are not addressed in these resources, visit calcareers.ca.gov/help